Hi guys, today I want to share you a demo how to control your Tesla through Siri and Power Automate. Okay, let's give it a try. Hey Siri, open rear trunk.
Done.
Hey Siri, close rear trunk.
Done.
Hey Siri, unlock the door.
That's done.
Hey Siri, turn on AC.
Okay.
Okay, now let's try we set the temperature. Hey Siri, set temperature.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please repeat what you said?
Set temperature.
Degree.
19.
Okay.
Okay. Now the temperature has been set to 19. Yes. And you can see the Siri has been identifying my command is set to 19. Yeah, that's it. Also, we can control the car through Apple Watch. Let's give it a try. Hey Siri, open rear trunk.
That's done.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Close rear trunk.
That's done.
Okay, just take the two commands for example. I don't think it's necessary to try other commands. It should be same. Yeah, thank you. Now let's get started. So the whole process, we just start from the Siri use shortcuts. Then we just send web request to Power Automate. Then Power Automate execute the command and send the web API or HTTP request to Tesla server. Then Tesla server will give the final command or request to Tesla car. So so you can check this URL. This URL you can find from the description of this video. So just follow these steps so you can make your own Tesla controller application. Okay, so firstly, the step one, we need to get your fresh token. So just click. We can get the fresh token from this website. Just click it and go to this Tesla API token website. Then you can follow the steps. Firstly, click this you will open the Tesla web page. You can sign in with your email address and password. It's your Tesla account. After that, you will get an error page. So just copy the URL, that error URL, then paste here. So then get token. Then you will see a refresh code like this one. Refresh code like this one. Just copy this refresh code. Then we will go to the step 2. Okay, the step 2 is for the creation of Power Automate flow. You can use my flow to use, just customize my flow for easier start. So you can download my flow by clicking here, then download to a local drive, then you just import the flow package into your Power Apps Studio. You can go to your Power Apps Studio, then click here, App, Import Canvas App. Yeah, upload, then choose the package you just downloaded, then just import. Okay, now after the import completed, you can go to the flows. Here, you can turn on firstly or turn on later after you customized this flow. But it's fine. You can turn on now and click edit it. Then you just paste your refresh token you just got from the website, paste it here. Then that's it. So, but here I want to say, actually I have listed several commands I frequently use, like the open the rear trunk. Let's take open rear trunk for example. So we just firstly we need to make the car ready. So that means we need to check the car state, if it's online or not. Then we need to prepare the car. So this is a do until. We just do the preparation process until the car state is online. Okay, so prepare the car is we just get the car information, and you can just keep this flow unchanged. Yeah, you needn't do any change of this Power Automate. Then, but here I need to emphasize is here there's a delay. It's here prepare the car, make the car ready, and here I have set 10 seconds. Each time we wake up the car, there's a delay. The Tesla, in most cases, if you don't drive the car, if the car parked there, it is always in a sleep status. So the server need to wake up the car firstly. But the wake up process always take at least, I think, 10 to 30 seconds in most cases. So we need to set up a delay after we send the wake up request. But I just use a do until. I just set repeat times is 3. That means I have set a 10 seconds delay. If After 10 seconds, if the car is still asleep, so it will retry, but totally try 3 times. So that means the maximum delay is 30 seconds. Yeah, but in some cases 10 seconds could be enough. Yeah. So in your actual use, if you find the 30 seconds is not enough, so that means after 30 seconds your car is still in a sleep status, I think you may adjust the delay time, like can change the 10 seconds to 20 seconds. That means the maximum could be 60 seconds, right? Yeah, that's it. So this is for the Power Automate. Next, I will show you the how to do the shortcuts on iPhone. Now let's look at how to create shortcuts on the iPhone. So first of all, just remember rename the new shortcuts like this one. Take this one. Take the turn on AC for example. Let's rename this shortcut to turn on AC. That means each time after you see hey Siri, then you just see this name, it will trigger this shortcut. So okay, let's look at this shortcut. The first step, well, actually it's only one step. That means we just use the get content off. You just choose this action names get contents off. Then we just put the URL to this one. You can check the Power Automate and copy this URL. Copy this URL to the shortcut here, and we just need to set the method to post, and request body is JSON, and set the parameter is Tesla. The value is start AC. That means the shortcut will send the parameter Tesla with its value start AC to Power Automate. Then Power Automate will pass this request and check like if this is start AC. Okay, let's go to the start AC. It will check the command is equals start AC. See, this one is same with the parameter value in the shortcuts. So it will check the command name is start AC, then it will trigger the next execution. Yeah, that's it. I think hopefully this demo could be helpful for you to understand the web API, the Power Automate. Yeah. So if any questions, just leave me a comment, and I will give you a reply if I can. Thank you.